It comes in two versions, the long wide for drummer and XL for drummer XL. The long wide version and the XL version has the same valve, so this tutorial is just as important for the LV as it is for the XL. So the first thing you do is you open the strap like that, and then you take the pad out of the bag. When it's brand new, it comes rolled up pretty neatly, and inside it should also be a pump bag. So you start by rolling the pad up like that, and then you locate the valve here. Inside the valve you have a black rubber flap, so when you want to inflate the bag, you need to make sure that the flap is evenly distributed around the edge of the valve. And then you take the pump bag and attach it here. You should hear a small click. So to inflate the sleeping bag, we use this pump bag, and that's basically to keep moisture out of the inside of the pad, because long-term moisture can harm the insulation that's inside. And one of the issues people are having is to try to fill this pump bag with air before they try to inflate the bag. So I've seen a lot of creative ways of trying to do like this. That's not gonna catch a lot of air. So what we recommend doing is that you stand from a distance and you try to open the top part with your fingers as much as possible, and then you gently blow into the pump bag, and then you trap the air. So you don't want to inflate it all the way to 100%, because that's not going to be super comfortable in the hammock. If you see what I'm doing here, it's basically between 80 or 90% inflation right now. This is what we recommend, because then it's easy to fold the pad when you're trying to get into the hammock, and it's also going to be more giving and be a better lay. If you want to adjust the air pressure later on, there is a space for the valve in the head end, so then you can put the pad in, attach the pump bag again, and then inflate it more if you need to. So once I'm done inflating, I remove the pump bag, and then you have to make sure that there's nothing that's in between the rubber flap and the edge here. It seems pretty good from here right now, so then you can reapply the cover like that. So to deflate the fuel pad, you open the valve. You can either put the rubber flap into the sleeping pad, or you can take it out like that and leave it open. Empty all the air out. And then I put the pad down like this, and I fold it halfway in, and then I do the other half like that, and then you start rolling. Before I reached the end, I like to take the pump bag with the vent sticking out like that, and just roll the pump bag in, and then make sure that all the air is out. Put the rubber flap back in, press this down, and if I did a good job by rolling, it should go pretty easily back into the stuff sack, which it does. And we're back to the beginning. Good luck.